use some pattern styling here to make this pattern a lot more interesting. So we have a new layer, and we're going to go to Edit, Fill, and by now you're going to have quite a library of different patterns you created, so you could probably get some at your choosing. So I'm going to click on this one. Remember, that's a lower res version. And I'm going to go to, let's see where it says, let's close this window. Click on Script, it says Brick Fill. Let me do Spiral. And let's click OK. Okay, this is our creation. We could make it a spiral, and we could make the adjustments here to make the spacing of the rings. We could do here to make the size of the spiral. We can make it a smaller spiral, like that. Good. And let's click OK and see what we got. Wow, it's amazing. So we got this spiral pattern. And let's click on another one. Let's make another one. And let's go to Fill. Let's choose a different pattern. I'm going to choose this one here. And I'm going to click away. And I'm going to do Cross Weave. Let's see what that gets me. Okay. Spaces. This color. Okay, this looks interesting. I'll click OK. And then there we have it. So let's do one more. Edit, Fill. I'll pick this one. It's a larger pattern. Click away. Cross Weave. Symmetry Fill. What's that? Click OK. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Looks like it's jumbling it up. Okay, let's click OK. Wow. Now, I'm going to use blending modes to create an interesting shape. So let's click on the first one. Let's make that one lighten. Let's click on this one. Let's make this one soft light. Let's click on this one, and let's make this one difference. Pin light. Wow, we have some interesting versions. Look at that. And we could turn off one layer, and we have that. So let's use our layer comps to create different versions. So we go to Window, go to our layer comps, and let's save this one. I like this one, so I'm going to click on this one here. Position. I'll name this one Carpet. I'll click OK, and Carpet it is. Now I will turn off this one, turn on this one, and I'll make this one Difference. And I'll save this one as, I'll just name this as number 2. I'll turn this one off. Ooh, interesting. I'll save this with something else too. And I'll turn this one off. And I'll save this as version 4. Okay, let's see what we have. Our first one is that. Our second one is this. Our third is this one. And our fourth is this one. So this is what I'm looking for, exactly what I've done here. create your own individual pattern, but make sure that you save this guy here, your very first one, which is your pattern source. This is the first one we did. So let's go to File, Save, and we'll name this Pattern SO. Pattern source, click OK, and we'll name this one here where we did our pattern fills. Save this as our pattern sheet. Okay, so we want to have at least multiple pattern fills with different size resolutions, meaning you're going to have some that's larger than the others, like this one's a large resolution, and so forth. And then you're going to use blending modes, and you're going to save each one as a different layer comp. And I'll expect to see that next time we meet. Ciao.